Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to use AI dashboard on Legiit freelancing platform. So now here you need to add just website URL. Let me add domain name enablewebsitedesign.com, and here I can add name enable website design, then industry type. So let me select online business and then click on continue button. So now here I need to select one of these options. So just I want to select this one, and here you can see it's creating dashboard. Then scroll down. So guys, here you can check your website score. So performance is 93%, LCP. So load time, so that's 1.5 second. You can also connect your Google Analytics to see real-time reports for the website traffic. And here you can see backlink details. So March 26, 2025. So this backlink was indexed, and here you can see all the reports. So let me scroll down, and if I click here load more, then I will get more detail. So in this way you can easily analyze your website SEO and performance details. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.